Hello class, Ms Harriete here. Welcome to your arts and craft class. Now as this week we are talking all about the solar system, I thought it would be a great idea to make a rocket, which is what astronauts use to go into space. So let's make a rocket now. What you will need to make a rocket is the inside of a toilet roll. You will need some yellow and red tissue paper. You will also need paper to put around your loo roll. I'm going to do my rocket red and blue, but if you have a colour that you would prefer to use, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so let's begin by sticking our card to the glue roll. So take your glue and then you're just going to stick it down. So I'm going to put glue along this side, so then it's nice and stuck, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to stick some different shapes on the front. I've chosen a blue triangle and a blue square. So I'm going to put one there and I'll stick the next one just further down, just like that. So this represents the outside of the rocket. Sometimes there are windows, for example, or buttons, so you can do whatever you like. So my blue square here is representing a window for the astronaut to see out of, and I'm going to do a triangle as well. I've already cut the triangle out, and then I'm going to stick the triangle here just underneath. Okay, and then at the top we're going to have a cone because rockets have a point at the top. To make a cone you need to draw a circle. Has to be a nice perfect circle. So draw it and then cut it out and then fold it in half. Okay, one way, and then fold it in half the other way. And then what I have to do now is just cut out this portion. Okay, that enables us to make a cone. By cutting this out, it gives us the slack we need. So to make a cone, then there we go, there's the cone. So this cone is going to go, so you can make the cone as big as you need. So you can make it as wide as you need if you've got maybe a big toilet roll that you're using, or if you need it to be a lot thinner, then you can do that. So then what we're going to do is put our cone on top of our rocket just like that. Just like that. So what I'll do now is I'll move my camera further down so you can see what I'm doing. So first of all, I'm going to stick, let me see how big I need it. Let's make it as tight. Yep, I think that's okay. So then I'm going to stick along here. That's the first job, sticking this part down. Okay, and then I'm going to stick, whoopsie, I'm going to stick glue around the inside. Along the inside I'm going to stick the glue now. Okay, so let's just stick it down and try and let it dry for a second. Okay, whilst that is drying, that's what it should look like so far. Whilst that's drying, we're going to make the flames, because when the rocket blasts off, there's always lots of flames. Yeah, so we're going to cut out strips of yellow. So let's cut out maybe 3 strips of yellow, and then 3 or 4. Let me cut this one in half. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the flames or the fire. Oh, there's 1 strip of red. There's 2, there's 3, there's 4. So I'm going to do 4 of each. Okay. So there's my rocket so far. Okay, now it's just missing the flames, isn't it? So let's do 1. And then you just stick this to the inside like that. Okay, so there's 1. Now let's stick a yellow one. So I'm going to go red, yellow, red, yellow. There's 1. There's 2. Let's take a red now. Stick that down. Let's put that there. Oh, Ms Harriete will have to cover that up as well. Let's get a yellow one now. And then let's put that there. And then let's do red. There we go. And then let's do 1 more yellow until we've covered it all. And there we go. There is our rocket. As you can see, it's blasting off into space. Should we do a countdown? 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Wow, it's blasting off and it's going to one of these planets here. I wonder which one is it going to land on. Is it Earth, Venus, Saturn or Mars? Well, there is our rocket. I hope you enjoy making this craft as well, using some simple materials that you have in the house. So thank you for watching, and I will be back soon. Bye!